Alright, take one step forward. Alright, so you're gonna go no steering, okay?
Alright. Sounds good.
Ready! Take!
That means you can use your right.
Alright, just walk it out and go cannonball position. Okay, let's run it up. Bring it up.
I can't.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm going backwards.
Whoa.
Are you gonna catch me? Jeez. You're a punk. This is. I got you on video. I'm filming this, just so you know.
You can have these cat-like reflexes. I swoop down to save you.
Wow.
I thought you were gonna run it up.
How did I run it up? My feet bare. You stopped me ahead of time on purpose. Oh. Gee. See, this is my instructor here giving me a hard time.